I'm Peter Butt, I'm the managing partner of the Adroit Services Partnership. We're a bathroom installation business based in Aylesbury, Buckinghamshire. Adroit Services started in 1989 with my father-in-law, and over the years he grew the business from just a one-man band up to a team of 12 installers and an office team of 5. We joined the BBF in the start of the lockdowns in 2020. I'd been looking for a way of thinking about how we were going to get through, because we didn't know what was coming. So we knew we were going to close for a short while, so it seemed like a good idea to try and find out what other people were going to do to cope. The growth advice really helped in identifying that I was potentially a roadblock to the growth of our business. So one of the things that was picked up, and it was a really great phrase from someone who said, it sounds like you're trying to be perfect, but that's not always possible, but you do sound pretty amazing. And that really has become the mantra we're taking forward. So just be amazing. We're bringing in an installation manager who has now started, one of our own installers that will step up and become more of a overseer. So as we get bigger, we don't lose our values of quality first. The installation manager role will allow us to develop the workforce more. We're trying to develop our own Adroit Academy. So we teach new installers to do things the Adroit way. People come to us because of our reputation. And if someone's recommended us, we don't want to let them down. Continuing that growth is hugely important to us. I understood the term work on your business, not in it. I think that's probably the best thing I took out of it. It just made us more focused on the issues that we had at hand, that you don't always get time. We've got the confidence now to look at who we work with and make sure that we're using the best suppliers for us, whether that's the accountant, whether it's our banking. We've changed our card payment handler. We've looked at every area of the business to try and get the best in every area. I think anyone looking for any kind of support locally, then BBF is a great starting point. You'll be able to share your concerns as a business owner in confidence, and it will benefit you.